Good morning, student. In the last classes, we have seen the questions and concept of circle. Okay, student, we have seen a lot of questions. We have seen the concept of the circle, general equation, standard equation, and diameter form of the circle, and we have solved questions based on these. Now, student, today we are going to start a new topic, parabola. Okay, student. Our new topic is parabola. So what is parabola, student? So parabola is the locus of point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is always equal to distance from a fixed straight line in the same plane is. Okay, so this is equal to PS is equal to PM. That is our PS is equal to PM. Okay, student. So this is our parabola, and you know how we can find the equation of parabola. Suppose that this is a parabola which is passing through the point A. Okay, and this S is our focus, whose coordinate is A0, and any point which is on the parabola, which is PXY, and this is PM, perpendicular, and this is the line ZZ dash. This is directrix, and its distance from A to here is A. Okay, student. So we know that this PS is PM. Okay, according to the definition of parabola, we know that this PS is equal to PM. So PS square will be equal to PM square. Okay, student. This is our focus, this is the point, and this is the origin. Okay, now this PS square is the distance between 2 points. So we can write x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to PM square. PM will be what? X plus a whole square, student. So when we expand this x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is x square plus a square. This is plus 2ax. So student, we are saying that this part is cancelled. Okay. Now what we are getting, y square is 4ax. So this is the standard equation of parabola. Okay, student. So this is the standard equation of parabola. In this way, we can find our standard equation of parabola. Okay, student. Now this is the case when, and in this case, its focus is A0, its center focus is A0, vertex is 0, 0, and directrix, equation of directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, student, and axis of equation is x-axis, so its equation of axis is y is equal to 0. Okay, student. So these are the 4 points. Now when we change this parabola, when we make this parabola to the left hand side of x-axis, student, so it will be what? When our parabola is like this, student, then our equation of parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, student. So in this case, our parabola is, student, is now its focus, in this case minus a0, student, and directrix is x minus a is equal to 0, and equation of axis will be equal to, again, y is equal to 0. Okay, student. When the parabola lies like this, okay, then in this case our x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, student. So in this case our focus is 0a, and directrix is y minus a is 0, sorry, y plus a is 0, and vertex, this is always 0 and 0. Here vertex is also 0, and equation of x is student x. Here is y axis, so it will be x is equal to 0. Okay, student. Now fourth case is student when the parabola lies on y axis in the negative direction, like this. So in this case, our standard equation will be x square minus 4ay, and directrix will be x minus a is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, y minus a is 0, and focus is 0a. Okay, and vertex is equal to 0, 0. Okay, student, and equation of axis is equal to x is equal to 0 again. Okay, student. So these are the four cases which I have discussed with you, and in these all four cases, the focus, directrix, the equation of axis, these all play important role when we solve the questions. Okay, so these concepts we will keep in our mind and solve the questions based on these types. Okay, student. So now we will start solving some questions based on these topics, these types. Okay. Now, student, we are going to take a question. Okay. So the question says that, student, find the equation of parabola whose focus is minus 3, 2, and directrix is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, student. The question says that find the equation of parabola whose focus is minus 3, 2, and directrix is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, student. Find the equation of parabola whose focus is minus 3, 2, and directrix is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, student. So we are seeing that that this concept like P, and this is our S. Okay, and this is our directrix, which is x plus y is equal to 4. We have to give it. So student, this is S, whose coordinate is minus 3, 2, and T, like the coordinate of T is x. So student, we are saying that this is our PS is equal to PM. So this is squaring both sides. PS square is equal to PM square. So student, we apply the distance between these 2 points is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to PM square. Okay, so x plus y minus 4 by under root 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, student. So this is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is x plus y minus 4 by root 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay. So this is now student, we will solve this and get our standard result. Okay, so we get x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square minus 4 plus 4 minus 4y, and this is equal to student a plus b plus c whole square, and this is root 2, so it will be 2, and here x square plus y square plus 60 plus 2xy minus 8y and minus 8x. Okay, student. Now we are seeing that this is the expansion. Okay. Now we send this 2 to this side. We get 2x square 2y square plus 12x minus 8y, and this is 9 and 4 13 and 2 26. Okay, student. And this part is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 8y and minus 8x. Okay, so this is 8y and 8x. Now we are seeing that this is x square and this is y square. This 8x is, we take 20x and minus 8y cancel, plus minus 2xy plus 26 is equal to 0. Okay. So student, our equation of parabola will be equal to, okay student, so this is plus 16, we take this left hand side, we get x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 20x plus 10, this is equal to 0. Okay student, so this will be our required result. Okay, so this is the question, okay, in which we have to find the equation of parabola whose focus is this and directrix is this. Okay student, so now we know that this PS is equal to PM, so PS square is equal to PM square, and x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is x plus y minus 4 by root 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is a square plus b square, and this is plus 6x minus 4y. Okay, and this is 30, and this when we expand we will write this, and solving these questions we get our result. Okay student, now we take another question and solve it. Let's see once again. So next question is, find the equation of parabola whose focus is -1 -2 and directrix is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay student, so this is our question in which we have to find the equation of parabola. So again the same concept we apply student. We will take a point P, so we can say that our PS is equal to PM, so this is equal, so we write x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is x minus 2y plus 3 by under root 1 plus 4, and this is whole square. Okay student, now we expand this again and get the result. So we are expanding this 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4y plus 4. This is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab. So this is 4xy minus 2 to the 4th is a 12y, and plus 6x. Okay, student, and this is equal to 1 by 5. Now multiply this side. We get 5x square plus 5y square, 10x plus 20y plus 5 5 are 25. Okay, so x square plus 4y minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x plus 9. Okay, student, so we are saying that this part is, when we are taking left hand side, 4x square and plus y square, and this is 10x, take this side, so it will be 4x, 20y, take this side, so 32y, and this is plus 4xy, and this is plus 16. Okay, student, now student, so this will be our required result. Okay, student, so in this way we can find the equation of parabola when the focus is given and directrix is given. Okay, now we will see some other questions, friends, and solve it. Let's see. So our next question is, find the coordinate of foci and the equation of directrix and length of its lattice rectum. Okay, student, so our y square is equal to 8x. Okay, student, so student, we have to find the foci and lattice rectum and equation of directrix. Okay, and equation of directrix. Okay, student, so these 3 points we have to find out. Okay, so this is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, now comparing with this, so we write 4a is 8, so a is equal to 2. Okay, student, so focus is a student a0, so it will be 2 0, and equation of directrix is equal to, equation of directrix is equal to x plus a. Okay, so x is plus a is 2, so we write x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, student, so this is our directrix. Now equation of lattice rectum, sorry, the length of lattice rectum is 4a, so 4a is equal to a. Okay, student, so this will be our required result. Okay, student, now we take another question. Suppose that we are taking x square is equal to minus 16y. Okay, student, our x square is equal to minus 16y. In this case, student, when we compare, we write our, so 4a is equal to minus, so our 4a is 16, so a is equal to 4, student. So lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum is 16, student, and our foci is, this is the fourth case, student, so we write 0 minus a, so this will be minus 4, and equation of directrix is equal to x y plus a, which is equal to 0. So y minus 4 is equal to 0, and this will be our required result. Okay, student. So our foci is 0 minus 4, and latus rectum is 16, and directrix is y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, student. Now we take some other question and solve it. Okay, student. Let's see, our next question is student, our next question is y square minus 8y minus x plus 19 is equal to 0. Then student, find the vertex, axis, focus and directrix, latus rectum of the following parabola. Okay, student. So first of all, we make this equation in the form of parabola. Okay, student. So we write y square minus 8y is equal to x minus 90. Okay. So we write y square minus 8y. Student, this is 2y and divided by minus 8y. So this is minus 4, and whole square is this is plus minus 4 whole is, that is 16 plus and minus 16, and this is minus 90. Okay, students, so this will be y minus 4 whole square, and this is equal to x minus 19 plus 16, and this is minus 3. Okay, student, so we can write this is y square, capital Y square is equal to capital X. Okay, student, where capital Y is y minus 4, capital X is x minus 3. Okay, student, now we have to find out what. Now compare with the standard equation, we get 4a is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, student, so focus is in this case our focus is a0, student. Okay, so our x is equal to a, so x is x minus 3, and a is 1 by 4, so our x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3, 3 4s are 12, and 1 13 by 4. Okay, and so our focus is student 13 by 4 comma 0. Okay, student. So student, our focus will be what? This is our x is, this is 30 by 4, and y is 0. So y is y minus 4 is 0. So small y is 4. So our focus will be 13 by 4 comma 4. Okay, student. Now our second thing is we have to find our latus rectum. So latus rectum is, student, which is equal to 4a. So it will be a. So our a is, so student, this is equal to 4 into 1 by 4, so this is 1. And next is, student, our vertex. Our vertex will be, student, 0 0. So our x is 0. so x minus 3 is 0, so x is 3, and y is 0, so y minus 4 is 0, so y is 4, so vertex will be equal to 3 and 4. Now directrix student, here will be x plus a is 0 and x is x minus 3 plus a is 1 by 4, which is equal to 0. So this is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4 by 4. Okay student, so directrix will be x is equal to 11 by 4. Okay, so these will be the result. Focus is this, directrix is this, vertex is this, and lattice rectum is this. Okay student, and student, its axis is, equation of axis is x-axis, so y is equal to 0, so y is y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of axis also. Okay student, I hope you understand students. So student, first of all, in this question we have made this like a standard form. Okay, so we have added 16 and subtracted minus 16. This is x minus 90. Okay, so y minus 4 whole square is x minus 3. So we have taken, this is capital Y and this is capital X. So you can write capital Y square is equal to capital X student. So we can write y minus 4 and this is x minus 3. Now we have to find out our focus, directrix, vertex, lattice rectum and axis. Okay student, so these are the things which we have to find out from the given information. Now that we are comparing this part, so here we are seeing that our 4a is equal to 1, so a will be 1 by 4. Okay students, now our focus will be what? You know, in this case our focus will be equal to a0. Okay, so a0 is, this is our x part, this is our y part, so x is equal to a and y is equal to 0. Okay student, so x is x minus 3, this is equal to 1 by 4, so x is 13 by 4 and y is 0 also, so y minus 4 is 0, so y is 4. So our focus will be what? 13 by 4 comma 4. Okay students, now we have to find lattice rectum. So lattice rectum will be equal to 1 students. Now vertex, which is, whose coordinate is 0 0, so our x is 0, y is 0, x is 3, y is 4, so this is 3 4. Now directrix is x plus a is 0, so x is x minus 3 plus 1 by 4 is 0, so x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 11 by 4, so x is 11 by 4. Now our axis will be y is equal to 0, so y minus 4 is 0, so y is equal to 4. I hope you understand students. So such type of question we will solve like this. Okay, now we move to next question. Now student, our next question is x square our next question is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay student, so and we have to find its vertex and focus. Okay student, we have to find its vertex and focus. So for this student, first of all we made this in the complete square. Okay, so we write x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 and plus 3, and here is student we can write x minus 1 whole square, and this is plus 2. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to y minus 2. Okay, student. Now this is x square is equal to yz. So where x is x minus 1 and y is y minus 2. Okay, student. Now our 4a is equal to 1. So a is 1. Okay. Now our focus is, focus is in this case. So 0a is focus. So x is equal to 0, student. And so x is x minus 1 is 0. So x is 1. And y minus 2 is a. So y is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So focus is 1, 3. Okay, student? Focus is 1, 3. Okay. Now, student, second part is we have to find x and vertex. So vertex is 0, 0, x is 0 and y is 0. So x is x minus 1 is 0. So x is 1 and y minus 2 is 0. So y is 2. So this is 1, 2. Okay. So vertex is 1, 2 and focus is this. Now we have to find its directrix. So its directrix will be, student, what the equation of directrix is here. We are seeing that this will be y plus a is equal to 0. So capital Y is y minus 2 and a is or a is equal to 1. So this is y minus 1. So y is equal to 1. Okay, students. Student, here is a mistake. Here a is 1 by 4. So when we write here 1, so this is 1 by 4. So 4 to the 8, 9 by 4. So it will be, student, 9 by 4. And here is, student, vertex. So vertex will be right. Okay. Now directrix is here 1 by 4. So y is equal to this 2 minus 1 by 4. So 7 by 4. Okay, students. So this is our required result. Okay, student. So in this way we can solve such type of question. I hope you understand, students. Now we see some other question in the next class. Thank you.